JDCap 26 here, just affairs and hobbies, and we got a box here from Arizona. I had Arizona iced tea for dinner, and I want to open this up. And this is the part that was missing off the, this is the protector for the Eagle Vision. And there it is right there. Okay, I'll show you it on the gun, how it works. It goes on top here, like this. And that protects the thread. It's a thread protector. Okay, to protect the thread of the muzzle. So thanks goes out to Rick at Air Guns for Arizona, and we appreciate it. And thanks for watching, guys. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.